The pre-production Afeela is arriving from our contract manufacturing partner, Honda, built to their high quality standards. To provide absolute confidence in the delivery of this innovative model, Sony Honda Mobility is implementing the Quality Gate, a dedicated process that adds an extra layer of in-house inspection right here. Here, we perform two dedicated inspections, the function inspection and the exterior inspection. Our function inspection verifies Afeela's core systems and signature features. We check the responsiveness of the IVI, or in-vehicle infotainment, and the stability of communication, ensuring both software and hardware behave seamlessly and exactly as designed.
The exterior inspection confirms the exceptional feature of elegant Afeela design. We meticulously check the continuity of the surfaces and the reflection. We pursue the highest possible completion level, allowing for zero compromise on even the slightest surface distortion or imperfection in the color. The quality gate function goes beyond ensuring each Afeela meets our exacting standards. It is a vital link for bleeding data back to both design and manufacturing. This critical function contributes directly to the stabilization and continuous improvement of Afeela production quality.
To deliver the experience Afeela promises, the work to build and establish this robust quality system is happening right here at the Quality Gate. Our goal is clear: to offer not only technology, but the highest level of reliability and the exceptional experience we aspire to provide. This is our unwavering promise to all our customers.